With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, the question is explain the meaning of the periodic properties non-metallic and metallic character. So in this question we have to explain the meaning of these two periodic properties that are non-metallic and metallic character. So these are the properties that are present among the elements that are present in the periodic table, and they have some periodicity in the periodic table, that is they repeat themselves amongst the element of the periodic table. So let's see. Now metallic character is the property of metals. Okay, so this metallic character is directly proportional to the tendency to lose electron from the outermost shell. It is directly proportional to tendency to lose electron from valence shell. Now any element that will easily lose electrons from their valence shell will have more metallic character, whereas the tendency to accept electrons is directly proportional to non-metallic character. So these two are totally opposite of each other. So non-metallic character is directly proportional to tendency to accept electron in the valence shell. So we will see these two properties in the periodic table. Now as you move from left to right across the period, the metallic character decreases and the non-metallic character increases. How is that? So as you move from left to right in the periodic table, the number of electrons in the outermost shell keeps on increasing and the number of shells remains the same. Now since the number of shells are the same but the electrons are increasing one by one, the nuclear charge towards the electron increases. Nuclear charge increases. Due to the increased nuclear charge, the nuclear attraction towards the outermost electrons increases, and because of which it pulls the outermost shell towards itself, and so the size of the atom decreases. It decreases because of the increased nuclear attraction. So these outermost shells, these get tightly bonded towards the nucleus. Now because they are tightly bonded towards the nucleus, it is difficult for us to remove the outermost electron in the valence shell, but it is easier for us to accommodate one electron, because if you see in the right side of the periodic table we have halogens which have 7 electrons in the outermost shell, and they only require 1 electron to attain the noble gas configuration. So it is easier for them to accept electrons. That's why they are called non-metals. Halogens are called non-metals because they accept electrons readily, while they cannot lose electrons because they have 7 electrons in the outermost shell. So in order to attain the noble gas configuration, they will have to lose 7 electrons to complete the octet. So losing 7 electrons is a high energy consuming process. So instead of that, what they do is they accept 1 electron. Whereas if you see on the left side of the periodic table, we have alkali metals and those have only 1 electron in their outermost shell, and they have the tendency to lose this 1 electron because accepting 7 electrons is a high energy consuming process. So instead of that, they will lose 1 electron, which will take up less energy, and that's why they have higher metallic character. So metallic character decreases as you go from left to right, and non-metallic and metallic character are inversely proportional to each other. Okay, as you go down the group, the number of shells increases, and so like the number of shell increases but the number of electrons in the outermost shell remains the same. So the distance between the nucleus and the outermost shell increases, and so it is easier for us to remove the electron from the outermost shell. So the tendency to lose that 1 electron in the outermost shell will increase as you go down the group, because the number of shells have increased, and so the outermost shells or electrons in those shells are loosely bonded, and so they will get removed easily. So that's why metallic character down the group increases. and non-metallic character decreases. So that is the trend of metallic and non-metallic character in the periodic table. That was the explanation. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.